What's the meaning of affection? Affection. 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 Affection refers to a feeling of liking or fondness towards someone or something. It can be characterized by emotions such as warmth, tenderness, and caring. Affection often leads to acts of kindness, physical touch, and verbal expressions of love and appreciation. It is a positive emotion that contributes to the formation and maintenance of social bonds and relationships. The experience of affection can enhance well-being, reduce stress, and promote positive mental health outcomes. Overall, affection is an important aspect of human connection and can bring joy and happiness to our lives.